Hi, I'm Angie, and today I want to share my updated Pandora bracelet and the charms that I have on it. The last time I filmed my bracelet was in 2013, and I didn't even know what the charms were called. I had no idea what I was doing, and since then my passion for Pandora has been reinvigorated, especially in the past year or so, and my collection has grown quite a bit. So I thought it was time for an update. Of course, my charms are a lot like everybody else's, but I think that's the beauty of Pandora, in that everybody's bracelet looks different, and I think it's really fun to share them, and I never get enough of watching other people's videos, so I thought it was time to show mine again now too. I really like this one. It's my current favorite because it's a nice mix of some of the older things and some of the new charms that actually just got released in the spring collection 2018. So I'm just going to open this up and then I will show you each charm individually. One of the reasons I stopped wearing my old bracelet was it was way too big, and I had no idea that it would stretch. I didn't have clips, I didn't have spacers, I didn't have a safety chain, and it just wasn't very comfortable to wear. Now I have a 7.1 bracelet and it fits much better, and I really like it kind of full but with still a little bit of play within the charms. So this is my Victorian sort of romantic themed bracelet, and it's on the silver charm bracelet with the heart clasp. And the first thing I have is the safety chain, and this is the Enchanted Heart safety chain, and that's just been released in the new spring collection. Then I have an older charm which is called the Royal Crown. I believe it's still available. It's one of my favorite ones. It's an open work one. Then we have the Space in My Heart spacer, and this is with clear CZs. I think it comes in pink as well, but I believe that is retired. Then we have Lovebirds, the little dangle love heart, very sweet little feathers, their little feet on the bottom. It's very cute. And this one is called Hearts, and it's quite an older charm. My husband gave that to me, and it's in gray enamel. And this is Silver Bells, and it's so sweet, and I just love the detail on the top there, little etchings on the hearts. Very cute. This is a clip, and it's layers of lace, which is very, very pretty. And of course the clips go on the clip stations, which are threaded areas on the snake chain so that the charms can't move past it. This is the Best Friends heart charm with CZs on the top, and it's a two-part charm, and it says always there on the other side. And of course my best friend has the other half of that charm. And this is the fleur-de-lis, and it's absolutely gorgeous. I love this one, and I'm from Quebec, so that's what that represents to me. This is the Eternity Pink Blush Spacer, and the Enchanted Teapot. That's a new one, and there's a lot of detail on this that you kind of need a magnifying glass to see. There's a little CZ on it and a little tiny bird on the spout. And here's another one of the spacers, and this is the Vintage A, my initial, and the Enchanted Tea Cup, which is very cute. It has a little spoon on the saucer. Another vintage lace clip. And this is Love Note, which is a little Valentine's card, and it opens up and says, "Will you be mine?" and it has a little heart on the back. But what I love about it are the roses on the top. They're so gorgeous. And here is a new spring release called Cute Mouse, and he's very sweet with his pink ears and his little dangly tail. This is a new spacer called Chandelier Droplets. It's just really pretty, with CZs all the way around. And this is called The World's a Stage, and it's the theater mask with the tragedies and comedies faces, and on the top it says to be or not to be. And then I have another space in my heart spacer. And I finished with one of my oldest charms, which is the beveled white pearl. And that is it. So let me know if you want to see any other of my bracelets in my collection. I have a two-tone one and a nature-themed one, and then a few extra charms. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed seeing my updated bracelet in 2018.